What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the brand new video, and today's video we will talk about how you can remove a followers from your Twitter account. So there's not really the direct way of doing that things, but you have to be a little bit of tricky. However, there are a couple of videos that we have seen they actually blocked their user, but you actually can do it without even blocking the person that you want to remove from your follower or the following list. Okay. Now to do the process, the very first things we want you guys to do is simple. Just head over to your Twitter applications and then go ahead and just tap your hamburger icon, and then you'll be able to see your following and your followers. Now go ahead and tap the followers. Now as soon as you open this option on, then you're going to see all the follower which you've got on your account. Now here, all you need to do is just go ahead and select that account you want to remove. So here, for example, then I'll open this account. Now here, all you have to do, quickly go ahead and tap this three dot. Alright guys, now once you're here, all you have to do, just go ahead and choose this block. Although we told you that you don't have to block the person, but how you can do it, you simply can block the person, and then instantly all you want to do, just go ahead and tap blocked and go ahead and tap unblock and unblock the person almost immediately. And then what will happen, let me show you right now. So I'll open up my account one more time. So let me tap back, come to the main account, and here, as you guys can see, now my follower was 1, but now it becomes 0. Although I didn't really block the person, because we instantly unblocked the person, and now here is how it's done. Alright guys, if this video or tricks is useful, if so, let us know in the comment section. And thanks for watching guys, and we'll speak to you all soon.